Hi guys, here in this video I am going to show you how can you enable dark mode in Microsoft Office. Please note that the option of dark mode is available from the Office 2016 or above. So if you have Office 2016, 2019 or Office 365, then it will work. So follow the video step by step. So now here I am going to search icon and write here WORD, and here you can see I am having Word 2016. So I am opening it, and here is the Word document. I am creating a blank document, and here it is open. Here you can see that the by default mode has been selected for my Word 2016. Now I am showing you with PowerPoint. I am opening here PowerPoint. So I am writing here PowerPoint, and here is the PowerPoint 2016. I am opening it, and again you can see here the by default mode has been selected for the PowerPoint. Now I am showing you with the Excel 2016, and here I am showing you again it is having the by default mode for the Excel 2016. So here I am going to show you how can you enable dark mode in Microsoft Office. So I am opening the Word document. Here it is Word document. Now go to File and come to the bottom of the page. There is an option Account. Click on Account, and here at the top you can see Office theme. By default the color mode has been selected. Office theme is the colorful is selected right now, so I am selecting dark gray. Now I select dark gray, and here you can see the dark mode has been activated at my Word 2016. And now look at PowerPoint, it has been changed. Now look at Excel, again the dark mode has been enabled for all the Office line of product, but make sure you have Office 2016 or above. So this was the way to enable dark mode in Microsoft Office. If this video helps you, please like, subscribe and share it to help others. Thank you. Thank you for watching the video.